Picture this, a charming old house, full of potential but stuck in a time warp. Dark wood paneling covered the walls, making the rooms feel small and cramped. The carpet, a faded shade of beige, had seen better days. Outdated fixtures and dated decor added to the overall feeling of neglect. This wasn't a house that sparked joy, it was a house yearning for a fresh start. The kitchen, small and closed off, felt more like an afterthought than the heart of the home. The bathroom, clad in avocado green tiles, was a testament to design choices long gone out of style. It was clear this house needed a major dose of love and a good bit of imagination. The homeowners, a young couple with a limited budget, were eager to transform their house into a cozy and inviting home. They dreamed of a space that reflected their personality and style, a place where they could truly relax and create lasting memories. But with limited funds and a mountain of work ahead, the task seemed daunting. Could they really achieve a stunning transformation without breaking the bank? Budget constraints can feel like roadblocks on the path to a dream home, but for me, they're also opportunities to get creative and resourceful. The key is to prioritize, strategize, and embrace the power of DIY. First things first, we assessed the must-haves versus the nice-to-haves. Replacing the worn-out carpet was non-negotiable, as was updating the outdated bathroom fixtures. Cosmetic changes, like paint and decor, could be tackled strategically to maximize impact. Next, we explored cost-effective alternatives. Instead of gutting the kitchen, could we refresh the existing cabinets with a fresh coat of paint and new hardware? Could we source unique and affordable furniture from thrift stores and flea markets? The answer, time and time again, was a resounding yes. One of the simplest and most impactful ways to transform a space on a budget is with paint. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders, brightening up rooms, highlighting architectural details, and creating a cohesive look. For this project, we opted for a light and airy color palette. The dark wood paneling was painted a crisp white, instantly making the rooms feel larger and more inviting. We added pops of color, with accent walls in soft blues and greens, reflecting the homeowner's love for nature. Don't underestimate the power of paint. It's a budget-friendly tool that can completely change the look and feel of your home. Thrift stores, flea markets, and online marketplaces are treasure troves for finding unique and affordable furniture pieces. Don't be afraid to see the potential in a piece that might look a bit rough around the edges. For the living room, we found a solid wood coffee table that had been neglected and painted over. A little sanding and a fresh coat of stain revealed the beautiful grain underneath. We paired it with a vintage armchair, reupholstered in a cheerful floral fabric, creating a cozy and inviting seating area. Remember, furniture flipping is all about giving old pieces a new lease on life, adding character and personality to your home without breaking the bank. Textiles and textures are essential for adding warmth, personality, and visual interest to any space. And the best part, they're often budget-friendly ways to make a big impact. We layered the living room with cozy throws, patterned pillows, and a plush rug, creating a welcoming and inviting atmosphere. In the bedroom, we added a textured headboard and layered bedding in soft, muted tones, creating a serene and restful retreat. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures. The key is to create a cohesive look that reflects your personal style. One of my favorite parts of any makeover is adding those special, personalized touches that truly make a house a home. And the best way to do that is through DIY projects. For this project, we created a gallery wall in the dining room using thrifted frames and family photos. We built open shelving in the kitchen using reclaimed wood, providing extra storage and display space. And we added a touch of greenery throughout the house with hand-painted planters and fresh flowers. DIY projects don't have to be complicated or expensive. It's all about using your creativity and resourcefulness to add those personal touches that make your home uniquely yours. Natural light is a game changer in any home, making spaces feel larger, more inviting, and more cheerful. We maximized the natural light in this home by removing heavy curtains and replacing them with sheer drapes that allowed the sunshine to stream in. We also added strategic lighting throughout the house, using a combination of table lamps, floor lamps, and pendant lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. Don't underestimate the power of good lighting. It can completely transform the mood and atmosphere of your home. The transformation was nothing short of remarkable. The once dark and dated house was now a bright, airy, and inviting home. The homeowners were thrilled with the results, and they couldn't believe they had achieved such a stunning makeover on a limited budget. The living room, once dark and cramped, was now a welcoming and stylish space, perfect for relaxing with family and friends. The kitchen, once closed off and outdated, was now a bright and cheerful hub of the home, and the bathroom, once a testament to design choices long gone by, was now a spa-like retreat. Section 9. A home transformed beauty and function combined. This makeover wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about creating a home that was both beautiful and functional. We maximized storage space, improved the flow of the home, and created designated areas for working, relaxing, and entertaining. The homeowners were amazed at how the transformation had not only enhanced the beauty of their home, but also improved their quality of life. They now had a space that truly reflected their personality and met their needs, a place where they could create lasting memories for years to come. Section 10. Unleash your inner designer. You can do it too. Don't be intimidated by the thought of tackling a home makeover, even on a budget. With a little creativity, resourcefulness, and a willingness to roll up your sleeves, you can achieve amazing results. Start by gathering inspiration from magazines, books, and online resources. Create a mood board with your favorite colors, patterns, and styles. And don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with the process. Remember, your home should be a reflection of you, a place where you feel comfortable, inspired, and surrounded by things you love. Section 11. The joy of transformation. More than just aesthetics. Home makeovers are about so much more than just aesthetics. They're about creating a space that supports your lifestyle, reflects your personality, and brings you joy. When you create a home you love, it has a ripple effect on your entire life. It's a place where you can relax and recharge, connect with loved ones, and pursue your passions. So, embrace the transformative power of a home makeover and create a space that truly nourishes your soul. Section 12. Budget-friendly inspiration, resources, and ideas. Looking for more budget-friendly home makeover inspiration? Here are a few of my favorite resources. Thrift stores and flea markets. You never know what treasures you'll find. Online marketplaces, great for finding furniture, decor, and building materials at discounted prices. DIY blogs and websites, a wealth of information and inspiration for tackling your own projects. Home improvement magazines. Stay up to date on the latest trends and find creative ideas for your home. Remember, creating a beautiful and functional home on a budget is all about being resourceful, creative, and willing to put in a little elbow grease. So go forth and transform your space.